We are having so much fun learning how to count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's Miss Hake back again with some fun number games for you. All right, so you should have still up around you the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. We are going to practice writing these numbers, but we are going to connect the dots to write them. So you will see that you are going to get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cute little pieces of paper, and the numbers are all going to be made up of dots. You're going to have to take your pencil or your crayon, and you're going to have to connect the dots and decide which number you made. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick from the pile. Ooh, I've got one. You want to see? There it is. I'm going to connect my dots. Here we go. Connect, 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 connect. Connect, 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 connect. Connect, 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 connect. Oh, which number did Miss Hake connect? Can you see it? Is it number 5, 4, 3, 2, or 1? Did you say 4? You're amazing. So I'm going to put that there. My next number from the pile. Ooh, I wonder what number that's going to make. Ready? I'm going to put this down, and I'm going to connect, 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 connect all of my dots. Ooh, I'm noticing that these are curvy. Curvy. Is that upside down? It might have been. Is that a 1, a 2, a 3, or a 5? Did you say 3? You guys must have your smarty pants on. It is 3. Amazing. All right, gonna pick another one from my pile. Got it. Connect, 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 connect. Ooh, I got a curvy one at the bottom. Do you see that? Look. What do you think that might be? Let's take a wee look. Is it 1, 2, or 5? It's 5. You're right. All right, I'm getting there. Now, pick another one. I'm going to connect my dots. Beautiful. I only have 2 numbers to choose from. Is that a number 1 or a number 2? It's a 2, which means I kind of saved my 1 for last. So let's connect the dots. Practice writing our 1. Beautiful. Now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You did amazing. Now if you have time, what you can do is you can scramble up all of the numbers that you made, and you can try to match them again and again and again. Whoa, my number 1 just jumped out of there. He wants to go first. 1 in first. Does that make sense? Silly number 1. Have fun. See you next time. Bye.